Welcome to Jaya's Gujarati kitchen. It's time for Khichdi and kadhi. We start by soaking the lentils in warm water and the rice in cold water. And we leave them both to soak for 2 hours. Following that, we rinse them thoroughly until the water runs clear. Then we mix them together. We rinse again. And drain again. Cover with boiling water, add the turmeric, the salt, the ghee, and bring to boil. We start preparing the kadhi. In a blender, put the peas, the chickpea flour, and blend with water. Add the salt, garlic, ginger, chilli paste, the turmeric, the yogurt, and blend again. Going back to our pot, we skim off any foam that comes on the surface. Add more boiling water if so required. Once the khichdi is cooked, we drain most of the water. And we put back on low heat. With the pot covered, but make sure to keep an eye on it. In another pot, heat the oil and the ghee and add the mustard seeds, jeeru, cloves, and cinnamon sticks. Once they start sizzling, add the curry leaves and turn off the heat. After a few minutes, turn back the heat on and add the kadhi. Cook for a few more minutes and then add the chopped coriander. Serve and enjoy!